Okay, Hayat, your name is my favorite, you know. It's very authoritative name if you look at your name. So, as we are living in scientific era, our cue card is related to this. And the topic is describe an invention that has changed how people live.
Life, life has progressed by leaps and bounds due to invention in science. In every field in life, it has been impacted due to some invention or the others. Today, I would like to talk about invention who has changed the people life. It is an internet. By internet, we can get any information on internet. It has changed the people life. It has changed the people life. But it control by internet we control our business on internet, and we can get any entertainment on internet. It it has changed people life. We can learn anytime on internet.
Okay, Hayat, you spoke for 40 seconds. So, this is your first cue card. So, it's a good thing that you spoke for 40 seconds, but you need to do more practice. And
Yes.
you have to work on your fluency, your grammatical range, and the time limit. This is very important. So if you continue practicing, you will get good bands. You don't need to get demotivated. Continue practicing. You know that practice makes a man perfect. So you need a bit more practice.